morning guys. So we're going to do the role of a bike messenger today. As you can see my outfit. Para akong tatalon. Magpa-parachute. But what we're gonna be doing today is we're going to be bike messengering for myself. So we're going to be returning a Lazada delivery that was sent to me around 3 weeks ago. What's up? We're here in Lands, corner Visayas Avenue. And I just wanted to quickly show you what I meant by the Google Maps app and finding your way around the city. So I would say this is the best app that you can use for navigating your way around Metro Manila. It used to have a feature where you could select what kind of transportation you had. Actually, they still have that for cars and for motorcycles. Unfortunately, they took out the one for the bikes. So if you chose bikes, the Google Maps app would design a route for you that is safe for bikes or can be passed through by bikes. I typed in the address and then I click, and then once you find the right address, you're gonna find the button over here in the lower left hand corner that says directions in blue. You're gonna click that, and it's just gonna auto suggest the least traffic route and a few more routes available depending on where you're going. So for me, it's only a 9-kilometer distance. This is a less complicated route. There are not a lot of corners. I'm right near Elliptical Road. Once I get to Elliptical Road, I'll just have to go into North Avenue and just go straight up through Balintawak and Legs, just past that, past Monumento itself, and to get to Guava Road. A few hundred meters more into Guava Road, I'll be finding my destination, which is the warehouse of DIGI Solutions. So yeah, I'm gonna have the camera running as I go through this traffic of Visayas Avenue. Good luck to me, and good luck to you, you great commuter, you. Ciao. office mag-return ng SSD. sa
SSD?
DigiServe Solutions.
Maya-maya tayo, sir, ha?
Anong 8:30 daw sabi sa akin nung office open eh. So we made it safely, walang aberya. Here, 227 Guava Road where DigiServe Solutions is located. Thank you. Ako, YouTube. What's up mga kuya? So I think I'm here. Hello. Good afternoon. DigiServe? Mag-return po ng SSD. Pretty huge facility here. Hi, yun sir. Yes.
Kailan niya siya na-avail, sir?
I bought it Black Friday.
Anong problem niya, sir?
Hindi na siya na-read parang. Nade-detect siya, tapos parang hindi lumalabas sa drive.
Para well, sir, pa-check ko lang sa technician.
Sure, no problem.
Check ko lang, sir, kasi yung technician, sabi nila.
Hindi ba kailangan orient yan ng tama, yung arrow?
Hindi, okay naman siya, sir. Tama naman yung ano niya.
Hindi ba parang right side up yun?
Okay siya, sir. Kasi na-detect siya dun sa akin, sa PC ko.
Anyway, it's not about yung detect. Ang problema, hindi ko siya ma-format.
Hindi
mo siya ma-write-an. Hindi siya ma-write-an at all. So it's not supposed to go not responding or be slow kasi yun ang SSD siya. It's supposed to be fast.
Sorry sa laptop, sir. Bagal eh. Anong content niyo pala, sir, sa YouTube?
Travel, cycling, tech. Diyan lahat ng editing ko, lahat ng buhay ng vlog ko nandyan eh.
So, ipo-format mo siya, sir.
Well, I don't mind ma-format. Basta gumana yung SSD. Kasi yung files, I can always shoot again. Yung problema, yung device. Ayun, there's a problem with this drive. Scan the drive now and fix it. Pagka skinan siya and Phoenix, hindi siya gana. I tried yung mga higher na IT tools para try mag-format and then sinasabi lang niya error. So, and I also tried both Mac and Windows.
Jam! I-replace na natin to kasi ano YouTube channel niyo, sir?
Enzo Amistoso.
Enzo Amistoso.
Check mo kung meron tayo ano na. Yung sakali, sir, papalitan ko siya kagad. And then, testin po natin kagad dito. Kung ano yung magiging pinagkaiba ng ano niya dun sa isa. Kasi actually talaga, sir, pag nagpa-warranty, medyo matagal lalo na. Pag matagal na rin yung nakasibo. Since sa November lang naman, nakarang month lang naman. Kaya pwede ko siya palitan kagad. Wala namang problema sa amin. Basta walang physical damage. Chinek ko naman wala naman. Wait na lang natin, sir, yung kapalitan.
Sure,
And then, testing na rin din natin kagad.
Sige.
Yung unit natin, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Naka-sealed siya, sir.
Yes.
Yan. Hindi, okay na. Lumabas na kanina, sir.
Oh, lumabas. Ayan. So, lumabas na. Yeah, this should be fine. Yep. Always remember to safely remove your drives.
Okay na, sir.
Yeah, safe to remove. Yes.
Bigyan na lang kita ng essentials, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bag, tsaka ano. Ako, anong bag to?
Maraming salamat.
Paano na lang? Pa-promote naman, sir, ng
Yes,
DigiServe.
Matic can DigiServe talaga. If you guys are buying from Lazada, if you're buying tech, you wanna go to a place where you can do proper RMA, proper returns, and proper customer service, and you go and head to the DigiServe Solutions shop here in Lazada. They have very friendly staff, and the people around here, they're practicing social distancing. Hi guys, say hello to the camera. So yeah, thank you so much again to DigiServe Solutions for the goodies. If you like this video, please hit like. So like I said, if you have any plans of buying tech through Lazada, you should buy from authorized distributors, proper resellers of these technological devices. As with tech, sometimes they do fail, sometimes there are defective products as you would consider them. So it's very good that when you're buying from someone, you know that they can support you locally, that you don't have to ship your product all the way to the States to be able to get a replacement. So again, thank you so much to DigiServe for being just 20 minutes away from me and having a very nice place and very hospitable people to assist me with my tech issue and product issue. So my bike has been kept very safe by Sina Kuya. I guess all we have to do now is get home safe, which is what I would like every one of you guys to be doing. Wala nang makikipagkararahan sa jeep or sa truck. Sige, salamat.
Wala, sarado.
Sarado.
Oh,
Kailan magbubukas yan?
mamaya, mga
Mamaya
alas
magbubukas.
4.
Alas 4 magbubukas.
Oo.
Mamaya magbubukas.
Oh,
Mga...
alas 4.
Mamaya magbubukas. Alas 4.
Oh, alas 4.
Alas 4 magbubukas.
Oh, alas 4.
Sige, mamaya na lang.
Alas 4.
Alas 4. Babalik ako.
Huli ka Balbon, huli ka sa huli ka noon, ano ngayon ka mag-react? Bansagan kami na wak-wak.
Bike. Oh my god, there has been a crash. Thank you MMDA for assisting this guy. Saludo sa inyo mga MMDA man. Get well soon, brother.